How to buy ZND token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token is available on KuCoin. Now first of all, you need to log into your account on KuCoin. After that, in the search bar, type ZDN like that, and you will be able to find a pair, as you can see from here. So I can't find it, I don't know why. So we just go and verify this. So it's ZND, sorry, it's ZND. In the search, type ZND. As you can see, you'll be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, wait a few seconds to load this page to be able to trade this token on your account. Now after that, what you need to do, you can select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy ZND. Now if you select the markets, you can check or you can set the percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy ZND token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.